Hello everyone, this is the next video in the Java Full Stack Developer video series. In this video, we will learn about basic data query statement in MySQL. We will first learn about the simplest query structure. Here is the syntax for the basic query. We have two ways for the basic select. The first, select all fields in the table by put the star symbol after the select keyword and view only some of the fields in the table by put some the column name after the select keyword. And after you select the column or all column, you put the from keyword and the table name. That's all for the basic syntax. Now we will try it. Let's open the MySQL workbench. And here, I already create a table named employees and put some record in the table. I will run this to initialize the database. Now, I will try to select all the columns from the table employees by run this statement. Here is the entire of the table employees with all the columns. Now I will change the star symbol here by some column, first name and the last name, and run it again. Now we have another table which only have two columns, first name and last name. Okay, next we will move to the where clause and where operators. The where clause is used to filter records based on specific conditions, and the where clause is placed after the table name in a select, update, or delete statement. We will learn about the update and delete statement later. Now we will go through some the where operators in this list. Let's go back to the MySQL workbench. Okay, we will work on this statement again. Now we will put the where clause, and here you can put some conditions in the where. Okay, the first operator we will learn that is the comparison operators. Comparison operators in MySQL are used to compare two expressions. So what are the comparison operators? Some of them: bigger, less than, equal, not equal. Okay. So I want to get the record that the age is larger than 10. I will do like this: the age larger 10, and run the statement. You can see here we have two records that satisfy the requirement. I will select star symbol to see our result, so we can easier to check the result. Okay, the age here, all of them are larger than 10. Or you can put less or equal here, so we call this condition or expression. And now we move to the and or operators. The and or operators in MySQL is used to combine multiple conditions. That means you can put more conditions in the way close by using AND or using OR like this. For example, you can get the age equal 10 and you want to get the name, the first name equal 1, for example. 1 is the string, so we need to put in code. Okay, there's no result because 1 has age 14. If you create, if you change the operator from AND to OR, you can get 2 results like this. One for age is 10 and one for the first name is 1. Okay, or you can continue to create to add more condition by using AND and using OR over and over in the way close like this. Okay, next, between AND. The between AND operator in MySQL is used to filter the result set within a specified range. Now, if you want to get some result 9 to 15, you can write the condition like this: age between 9 and 15, and let's get the result. Okay, run it. Here you can see the age from 9 to 15 because there's no 15 age in the records, so we should have 14. We have 3 records in the table that satisfy the condition, and the similar one for the between AND is IN operator. IN. The IN operator in SQL are used to filter records based on whether a value is in a specified list of values. For example, I want the age in 9, 29 and 14 like this, and I run it. You can see there are 3 records appear in the table with the age in the list. You can put not before in to get the opposite result like this: not in. Let's run it, and you can see we get 10. The result that not is in the list. Okay, let's next. Like operators. The like operator in SQL is used to search for a specified pattern in a column. It is particularly useful for filtering rows based on partial string matching or pattern matching. Now we can use for the first name like 1, for example, and let's run it. And you can use you can put not to get the opposite result, similar with in operator. Okay, like this. And in the pattern here, you can use percent symbol to represent 0 one or multiple characters here. I will put some character before one. Okay, I will change this to 2. Let's get what is the result if I put percent here. Yeah, you can see all the result that the first name contain 2. And maybe I will change EE. Let's yes. There are no record. So if you want the EE in 3 appear in the table, you need to put another percent after the E and pump. You can see we get 3. Alright, and the last one is NULL. Just very simple. It's NULL is to check if the column or an expression contains a null value. You can try this on the first name or last name. The is null. I guess it will show empty table because there's no one that is null in this. But if you put not before, we can see the entire table. Okay, it's not null, and run it. Okay, I hope you can understand these operators in this lesson. And I think that's it for this video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.